welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today it is Degustabox time. Now I had some questions from people saying was I not getting Degustabox anymore because I didn't film it last month. I did film it last month, however it was right when we moved. It looked like a bag of farts is a nice way to put it, and I just didn't want to put the video up. I just felt I looked horrendous. Today I also look horrendous because it is 5 o'clock in the afternoon and I've been out in the rain and I've had my makeup on since up at 7. So yeah, I think Degustabox just want me to be a minger in my videos, and that's fine. I don't really care because it's about the video, it's not about me looking like a minger. So this is going up. For those of you that don't know, Degustabox is a food subscription box. It's $12.99 a month. I do have a discount code. Just checking, I haven't got lipstick on my teeth. Where you can get your box for $7.99. I will put the code on the screen or down below in the description box. If you use that code, I will get points. I will get 50 points. When I reach 100 points, I will then get a free box. This is a free box because 2 people have used my code. Once you have your own box, you will get a code that you can then share with your friends and family or YouTube or Instagram, however you want to share it. And then you can accumulate points and get boxes. So let's do it. I will always do this disclaimer in this video that says basically if you're somebody that does a supermarket shop where you go to 10 different supermarkets to get 10 different deals, you probably aren't going to like this because it some things in it in Asda, so you might be able to get them for £1, but in where they've looked at it online, they're £2.49. So you might say, well, you're saying they're £2.49 value, but if I go to Asda I can get them for £1. But I am someone, I literally just go to one supermarket a week. I don't shop around, so I really like it. We're just gonna get in. One of my subscribers who I chat to on Instagram, she always messages me the spoiler for Degustabox every single month. She just sends me that because I don't ever look at it, but she always sends me the spoiler and we chat about what we think it's going to be. And she just messaged me a minute ago saying best Degustabox ever. So I'm super excited. I'm just going to move it slightly. There we go. That's better. Because this is quite a big box. You do get this recipe card. And this is generally something that is in the box, and on the other side is what is in it. I'm not going to look. Oh, I'm not going to look at that yet. I'm just going to start grabbing stuff. So we've got a. This is a My Cook box. This is a voucher. I will. I don't know if I can share this or not. If I can share it, I will. But it's just like a Hello Fresh thing. That is Amy's Kitchen. This is a soup thing, so I'm assuming we've got some of them in there. Oh, I've just seen something that says Reese's on it. I'm not going to get it out first. I'm going to grab these first. So we've got sweet potato sticks seasoned with salt. Oh, they look good. And this is Emily's Kitchen. I've never heard of this brand before. I think this is the same brand. Emily's Kitchen vegetable crisp, sweet potato sticks with chilli and lime. These top ones are mine. The chilli and lime ones are Ben's. He loves stuff like that. Oh, I keep sneaking. Oh, little looks. Okay, these are £1 each, and I think they're quite new. They're Emily's Veg Crisps, sweet potato sticks. Try classic sea salt with a sprinkle of salt, or traditional yellow and purple bold sweet potato with zesty chilli and lime. So I'm super excited for those. That's really cool. I love stuff like that. I will quickly just see if I can get the Weight Watchers app up and see if these scan. It says they count as one of your 5 a day. It's thinking. Oh, these are 8 points a bag, which is redonkulous. Unless they're like taste amazing, I probably wouldn't eat a whole bag, but I'm definitely going to try them. I've not got enough space on my desk. I've got like Christmas stuff, wrapping paper, a haul. It's just a bit of craziness in here. I've got hands. Right, what are you? Oh, the kids are like this. Weetabix on the go kids strawberry. This is a breakfast top-up drink. I would never ever buy this. This is $2.99. Make morning smooth with Weetabix on the go for kids. 4 single serve pouches in a multi-pack. You can go prepared for those mornings. 3 delicious flavours. So what is it? I don't really know what it is. Strawberry flavoured breakfast milk drink with added vitamins and iron. So it's just strawberry milk for the kids. They will absolutely love that. I will whip that out tomorrow morning for them. We've got Callow. And these are organic vegetable stock pots, and they're gluten free. I love getting stuff like this because my brother is a celiac, and he obviously needs gluten free stuff. These are £1.80. Take stock of your winter ingredients and go organic with Callow. Callow organic vegetable stock pots are the perfect partner to enhance all your dishes. I'm all about soup at the moment. Homemade soups are like my gym jams at the moment. So this is awesome. I always buy stuff like that if I can. What are you? Little bottle, alcohol free. Boring. You can get ones with alcohol. This is alcohol free, the Bee's Knees Sparkling, a refreshing and finely balanced non-alcoholic drink combining grape juice and premium green tea. So this is £1.89. It says the Bee's is a sophisticated vegan-friendly alternative to sparkling wine made from grapes and infused with green tea. It offers floral aromas with refreshing acidity. It looks and tastes like sparkling wine but without alcohol, low sugar, gluten-free, and around half the calories. That's really cool. It's pretty packaging as well, and it does really just look like a little bottle of wine. That's awesome. Ooh. Okay, this is going to be one. Oh, Tabasco Lush. I haven't got any of this, and I ran out of this about a week ago, which is really cool. I think this is just normal Tabasco, the original, and we've got the jalapeno one at the moment, but we haven't got the red one. Tabasco celebrates its 150th anniversary this year. Tabasco red pepper sauce is made with 3 ingredients: red peppers, vinegar and salt. Tabasco is no calories and is vegan. Great added to eggs, stirred into Christmas cocktails or for prawn cocktails. I need to go and answer the door. I'll be back. It's just my neighbour bringing me a parcel that she accidentally opened because she was old and it was cute. So yeah, we got some Tabasco. Definitely would always buy that. We just happen to have run out. What next? Nick's coconut. I don't like coconut. Nick's coconut is a rich and delicious tasting, naturally sweetened coconut bar coated with milk chocolate with no added sugar. The perfect choice for delicious guilt-free indulgence. And it says you can find our chocolates on Amazon. I'll leave a link, and it says use voucher Degusta2 for 20% off. And it says we never add sugar to our products. I think this is like a bounty. I wouldn't buy this. I don't like coconut, but I'm sure one of my friends or family will eat this. It won't go to waste. Pardon me. What are you? Jules Destrooper Almond Thins and Belgian chocolate. Oh, they look good. They look right good. Look. They look lush balls. Where's this? £2.19. I wouldn't ever buy these, but they're Jules Destrooper. Destrooper? The more I'm saying it, just now means nothing. Crisp and nutty almond thins with a thin coating of just enough Belgian chocolate, the perfect indulgent combination. They sound really yummy. We'll definitely eat those. Fine, I'll open it. If you insist, I will open it and test one. Fine. Calm down. Let's have a look. Let's see what they're like. They're very, very thin. How many points are you? Good. There's only 1 point. I'm going to use it, track it, because I ate one. They're really nice. Okay, a Reese's Snowman. What is this? Peanut butter cream. Oh my god, it's just a fucking huge Reese's. I'm sorry for swearing there, but shit to the bed. Look at the size of this. I think it's like a Reese's peanut butter cup. It's a massive snowman. If you don't like peanut butter, then send them all to me. It's fine. I'll leave you an address down below. The great seasonal treat, a peanut butter filled snowman with chocolate coating. The perfect combination of chocolate and peanut butter. Oh my good god. This is, it's gargantuan. Like, that is ridiculous. These are £3. Look at this. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Oh my god. Okay, that is just I'm gonna have to get Ben to hide that because I am gonna eat this. I bet this is like 45 million points at least. Let's see how many points it is. How many are we guessing? Is there a barcode? There's a barcode. £25 points for that. Wowzers. £3 though. I wouldn't buy one of them because I just want to eat it all, but I am going to enjoy it when I do eat it. I might have it as like just as my whole Christmas day, just have that. I won't really. Now we've got some soup. We've got some chunky tomato soup. This is at Amy's Kitchen. It's gluten-free soup. I've never heard of this brand again, but it looks nice. Organic lentil soup. These are really good things to have in a cupboard. They're £1.80 each for a can of soup. Crumbs. Wow. I don't eat either of those flavours, but they will definitely get eaten in this house. And then finally, we've got 2 Jack Daniels and Coke. Ben's going to be well excited. There's a normal one and then a diet one. These are £2 each. This is a really, really good box. Ben is going to be super happy. He's got alcohol, soup. Pardon me. This is an awesome box. There's nothing, like, everything is going to get used. I think you're right. This is a very, very, very good box. This is one of my favourites. What was the thing? She sent me the spoiler and I can't think what the oh, it's the bees. The bee's knees. So the spoiler was a bee pointing at his knees and we were like, what? What is that? We were both like Googling to see if what we could work out the brand was, but that's what it was. So yeah, that was Degustabox. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel. More fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon. Bye guys.